Marker lights. Clearance lights. Left turn signal. Four-way flashers. Okay, please step to the rear of the vehicle. Tail lights. Clearance lights. Brake lights. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Four-way flashers. Please step to the passenger side of the vehicle. Marker lights. Clearance lights. Right turn signal. Four-way flashers. That completes my light test.